Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a review on the Herbal Essence Naked Dry Shampoo. So I finally finished my first item off of my project pan list. I am so happy. It took a long time to get here, like you can't hear anything from it. So I hope you guys do like this video, and if I ever make it through a big milestone, let me know if you want to see a separate video on it with my project pan, and please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also be sure to hit that subscribe button. I love to have you guys a part of this family. It would mean a lot to me, so please be sure to go and hit that subscribe button. Sometime through this video there is there's a button down below that says subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell button. That way you guys get emails on when I upload. And so let's just okay, so I'm first going to talk about the packaging because, it is a nice, sleek bottle. It's made out of aluminum, very compressed. There is a little cap thing, and it has a really decent sprayer, which is hard to light. There you go. That's what it looks like. Now, you get about 4.9 ounces of dry shampoo. Now, I'm just going to throw it out there. I love this dry shampoo. It's one of my favorites. It did not dry out my scalp, didn't make my scalp really itch, and it really made my hair smell really nice. So, and it did the job. Duh, it did the job. So, a lot of shampoos that I've used, Tresemme, Dove, Dollar Tree, like I've used quite a bit of brands of, I also used another Herbal Essence. Wasn't the naked one, it was like their old one before this came out. I used their other dry shampoo. That one was horrendous, like it was bad. So if you guys would like to see a video on my favorite dry shampoos, let me know. So the sprayer is amazing, like it really is. I really do have like no issues getting in it. I don't have any issues with Y cast or anything. Yes, I do have blonde hair, but I do have darker roots. And when I apply my dry shampoo, I usually just take random sections, spray it in, lift it up, spray it in, and then I just like take clean fingers that haven't been touched in my oily scalp or whatever. I just kind of zhuzh it all in, and I really find that it does absorb everything. And the scent lingers in the dry, like when I use this. I'm really happy that it does, because not all dry shampoos has the scent lingering in it. Another thing that I noticed about this dry shampoo specifically, it doesn't dry out my scalp, which is a big issue with other dry shampoos. The Dove one that I'm using, which is in my project pan, I used it today and yesterday, and it dried out my scalp so bad. I was tearing out my scalp. My scalp started to bleed. I was scratching it so hard. It was horrendous. I may wind up giving it away. I may wind up tossing it or donating it, because I can't use it. It just tears up my scalp. I love this stuff. I would definitely pick it up. I got mine, I think I got mine. It definitely wasn't Big Lots, because I know that they do sell this at Big Lots. I think I got this one at, I just have to say Walgreens or something, or Walmart. But there's 0 parabens in this. And I just really think that if you're going to go for a dry shampoo, really make sure, like, maybe get a travel size bottle beforehand or something, or if a friend has it and your hair's a little dirty, maybe try it out, because honestly I have spent so much money trying to find a really good dry shampoo. I've used Dove, I used Tresemme, I don't think I used L'Oreal, I don't think I used Garnier. I use like 3 to 4 brands of dry shampoo, and they don't run cheap. They're like $5 a pop. So the Dove one makes my scalp itch. I have a Marc Anthony that kind of does the same thing, but doesn't really clean up my hair. That's another thing about this. It definitely absorbs the oil. It does what it says it's supposed to do. It cleans my hair. My hair feels nice. It feels clean. It gives my hair volume without it feeling dry and rough and disgusting. I don't think it leaves a textured feeling to it, because that's one thing that I really don't like when I have dry shampoo, is that it leaves the hair feeling textured, or like you sprayed something in it, or like just weird feeling. This definitely doesn't do it, and I really do enjoy it, and I love how it's so affordable, because I mean, dry shampoos aren't exactly cheap. So I'm glad I found something that I do definitely like. I do have an oily scalp. When I don't wash my hair for a long time, I usually wash it about once or twice a week. Because I do have blonde hair, I do try to not wash it as often. So I definitely think that this definitely doesn't aggravate my scalp. Like, I do have oily scalp. It's oily, but it's itchy at the same time. Like, it's oily and dry. Like, my hair is oily, but my scalp's not oily. It's weird. My scalp's dry because it'll scratch really, really, like it'll itch really, really bad. But it's completely used up. I can't use anything. And I just, like, the sprayer's nice. I mean, I like it. Here. There's, like, no white cast. There is a little bit on my hand, like, right there. No white cast. So, I mean, I'm going to miss this stuff. Now, if there's any dry shampoos that you would like me to test out and try, I do have, which I think I might not, nope, it's right here. I do have that $3 dry shampoo. It works good. I haven't used it yet because I am going to be using my Project Pan ones, or try and rotate them out. But I'm so happy that I finally finished this one out of my Project Pan, because I've been feeling like maybe I should just stop Project Pan because it's not working. So I'm going to try and dig a little bit to see why I'm not reaching for certain things, or something like that. So hopefully, or just change the things that I want to pan. Just don't pan that just yet. Pan something else. So I'm just really glad I finally accomplished something when it came to my Project Pan. I really felt like I was kind of slacking, and I just wasn't doing a good job like I felt like I was going to be able to do. So this really kind of made my day, and I would definitely recommend purchasing this, especially if you're looking for a good dry shampoo. This one's really good if you have the same kind of scalp as I do with the hair. I don't find it does anything to my colored hair. Now, I do have dove in my hair, and I will say it's kind of like a weird feeling, like, ugh, I don't know. I still smell it in my hair, but it's just kind of meh. I hope you guys like this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you have any recommendations for me of dry shampoo or any Project Pan tips that you would like to give me. I do have videos on Project Pan. I'm sure I can link them down below, or throw them up in the cards if I remember to. That's all I can say. I think it's just the stress and just always having new stuff. It's just I forget about having Project Pan. So I'm going to try to put more Project Pan things in my, videos or whatever. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.